Well guys, welcome back to the bench. I've got a really old kit here that I found on eBay. I had an idea for Christmas for my dad. He's actually doing a 63, not 64, a 63 Chevy that his grandpa left him when he died. So he's been restoring the truck for 15-ish years now, and he actually recently has made a lot of progress. I think it's all just cosmetic work left that needs to be done. So I thought for Christmas it would be really fun to do a miniature version for him. And unfortunately for me, they don't make a 63 Chevy that I could find anyway. But really the only difference is between the 63 and 64, besides the engine. The windshield actually would curve around instead of being flat. So I think I have a pretty good way to modify that. I'm not too worried about it, at least not yet. But yeah, I thought it'd be fun to unbox this super old kit. I know there's newer versions of this kit after the fact, but this was $18 on eBay, so I think I got a pretty good deal. As far as instructions go, though, they look the same as anything you'd see today. I've never actually done an automotive kit, so this will be kind of new to me. Clear parts look good, no scratches. I've got the chrome pieces, obviously do the old oven cleaner trick, and we'll get some nice chrome on those, some better looking chrome I should say. I think those are for the wheels. And then vinyl tires, I believe. For some reason I have 6. And then if these are for the wheels, I've got 5. So I'm not sure. Oh, look, the box is comes fully apart if you want. So yeah, I've got to start this here in the next couple days. Okay. This is an old Revell kit, but the detail, let's zoom in here. I mean, the detail's there. This is 1/25th scale. It's the dashboard. Looks like it's come off the sprue. Also, as far as flash goes, this is looking pretty good. Let's see. It's kind of dark. Hoping that's just flash. But yeah, so what I'm thinking is I'm gonna have to cut this out and move it this way a little bit and just get that windshield to curve over. If anyone knows what I'm talking about, if they've seen the 63 Chevy pickup, you'll know what I mean. And they only did it for that 1 year. Lucky for me. A little cleanup around the hood, it looks like. I'm actually kind of surprised what they give you. I think this kit is a 90s kit, at least what I was looking at on ScaleMates. So the door panels, the seat, it does have the bench seat, so that is the same. Oh look, we've got some clear red parts even. I guess those are the taillights. The only other problem I could see is his engine is the straight 6, where this is the V8 that comes in this kit. So either we're just gonna close up the hood or we'll try to make one of these look like that, but mostly I'm gonna put it in one of those nice Tamiya cases with the clear around it. I was a little worried after I ordered this kit. What I should have done is looked it up first on ScaleMates, but afterwards I looked it up on ScaleMates, and I realized there was newer versions of this kit, so I was a little bit worried that I have to do a bunch of cleanup. But you know what, guys? I mean, around these little pieces you can see flash. This is old Revell before it's was bought out, so it could be. Oh, there we go. I thought it was backwards. So it could be. Hopefully, no fitment issues. All this plastic is looking good. It does feel kind of hard, like that harder styrene. So we'll see how it melts together. Somebody online was saying this hood was 3 pieces, but I don't see how that could be. Oh, it's the floor. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be a project. You know, maybe I should have not chosen my first automotive kit to be a kit bash. Basically, is what I'm gonna have to do. I'm not too worried. You know, the good thing is styrene melts, so if you mess up, you can always kind of get her back together. These decals are going in a drawer. I still think I wonder if this is from another kit somewhere, because they all look the same. Anyway, I kind of wanted to talk a little bit about old kits, because I've done a few that are just reboxes, and I've had hit or misses. Usually detail is what you lose out on some old cheap kits. But yeah, this was only, you know, I think this is like the new version, the newest version you could buy at retail is like $39, I believe I was looking at. $39.99. And you know, it could have some better tooling. I think there's new parts, but you know, it'll be fun to bring this kit up, and we're actually going to go with more of a forest green on here. But yeah, let me know if any of you guys have done this kit before. Maybe you're more into automotive kits. This will be my first foray. I got to get one of those Tamiya things that grab the inside of the body, so I can paint it up nice, not get any fingerprints or accidentally drop it. I am taking a trip down to the hobby store I go to, MRS Hobby in Sandy, Utah. Anybody that lives in Utah, it's a great store. They have so many different kinds of paint, tools, kits. So yeah. Anyways, guys, I'll probably do a pickups video Saturday or Sunday or Monday, just depending on what's going on. Just a little update video there. But yeah, let me know what you think, guys. I'm excited to get started on this. You can see in the corner there I've got some parts drying for the Leo kit that I'm doing. With that painted up, I do have the lower waist done, besides snapping it together. That kit also needs to be done for Christmas, but I'm a lot more confident in my abilities to finish that, as it only took me a couple days to get the bottom half done and painted. So I kind of want to start on this just to have some time to work on it. So anyways, guys, I'll let you go. We'll see you in the next one.